Zhejiang Xingyu Technology was established in 2003. As the leading manufacturer of digital inverter generators in China, we have become the largest exporter of inverter generators. We have expanded our product line to dual-axis solar tracking system, portable power station, and dual-fuel inverter generator. We maintained friendly long-term cooperation with many international brands such as JD, Kohler, Bosch, Hyundai, Black & Decker, Stanley, Costco and Home Depot. All generators sets have been approved by EPA, CARB, CSA, CETL, GS, EMC, PSE, Intertech to meet customers' requirements.